Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So like, the big thing that really happened, Kadisha got so frost, like she threw up and all of that. Imani was frost too, but she won it. She won it like a G. And me, I'm the smart guy. I'm the one that only had like 2 things, a liquor, cause I know I can't really manage my liquor. But anyway, we're going to some fine dining thing tonight. Where we're gonna eat some, I don't even know, some nice looking food, whatever the case is. For this place, you have to take a shuttle from here to get over there, and yeah. Mommy, you look stylish, so.
Hey.
It's been a minute since you've been on the vlog. How is everything?
It has been great.
It's been very good. You're walking, strutting. Yeah, strut and everything go on. Eh? Hey. Alright. So we got the wrong restaurant. We don't have to take the shuttle over. It's which one are we going to tonight?
Luna de Mar.
Yeah, Luna. Yeah. An Italian restaurant. So Luna de Mare. De Mar. Something like that. Just the Italian restaurant that starts with Luna. Alright, so we're heading there now. Alright, so this is the name of the restaurant, Luna di Mare Italian Riviera Cooking, alright? So this is where we are. If you need to get there, you can get there. Alright, so we finally got the seats. We're at the table right now, about to order. Yeah, in here looks alright.
I don't even
Not like
any more champagne. I'm taking any.
fine, kind of fancy, but you don't agree with me?
I don't.
Huh? You think in here is like really fancy looking? Yo, y'all be the judge. So we're pretty much here just trying to figure out what we want to order. Forgive the flashing thing on the video. That's because I think they're running LED lights and I guess that affects like the camera in some kind of way. So yeah, that's the reason why there's like that flashing effect. But my sister and my mom, they're getting some appetizers, and me and Kadisha are trying to figure out what to get. Well, she's explaining the dish, one of the dishes to me that I've never had before.
Do you know the dishes? So time to tell you when I'm ready for the video.
Alright, so I've gotten a bunch of stuff I don't even understand that's in my plates. Yeah, so there's like a self-serve salad bar type of thing. So I'm gonna try it out and tell you how it is. My sister says she loves it. You like it, right?
Yeah.
I think it's really good. Alright.
But I'm fat, so I'm eating this way.
Wow. Alright, so you guys know, like, whenever I go anywhere, I try to be like super critical of like every single thing, because like whenever you guys come down here or you spend your money to go somewhere, like you want the expectations to be met. So far the salad has been like spot on. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Like the flavor was good. It tastes like some Italian, something real, and it was very fresh. Especially for something that you self-select. Like there's no guide to it. The beans are great. The croutons are good. The lettuce was fresh. The garlic bread was good. I enjoyed the salad. Hopefully, whatever is to come is gonna be just as good.
What I like about was that it was fresh. Yeah, it tastes fresh. Like it was like.
All right, so we got some wine, some red wine, water, because their night is done. All right, so you guys are gonna notice a little bit of change in the video quality because now it's gonna look all orange and whatever, but you're not gonna see the whole flickering of light. I just kind of figured it out because I'm not no big YouTuber or camera person per se, but I kind of figured that because the shutter speed wasn't like fast enough, you were getting that flickering, but we resolved that. But anyway, here I have shrimp scampi, which seemed like the best choice. Kadisha, the same thing, shrimp scampi. What do you get, Mom? The salmon?
What is this, Kadisha? It's like an tagliatelle with mixed seafood, and tomato sauce.
So the mixed seafood is pretty much salmon with mussels, pretty much. And what did you get? The beef thing?
Yeah. Beef steak with garlic mash.
Okay. Honestly, you guys know I'm either a lobster or steak type of person, but the guy was like, sometimes the steak isn't that good. But yeah, I'm sticking with what I know best, shrimp camp.
My sauce, and then I have the whole shrimp, so with the head. We have like the head butter that makes the sauce more richer. You want garlic mash?
Yeah.
Come here.
It's good?
Tastes like garlic. I want it.
Alright, so the shrimp scampi to me tastes what it should be. Like the pasta seems a bit al dente. My cousin says a little bit dry for you. But for me it's okay. But my sister's dish, I want that. I need that. So I'm having them get me a whole different plate. But yeah, the dish seems like what it's supposed to be. My mom isn't really liking her dish because she's not really a pasta girl. No? She's not a pasta type of person, so yeah, but does it taste true to form? To me, it tastes true to form. But I really I'm a steak kind of guy, I really like steak. This is the, what do you call it again? This pastrami, mini pastrami?
Not even remember.
Whatever, it's like a beef type of soup type of thing. I'm gonna have that and I will tell you guys what I think about it. Alright, the soup with the whole bacon and beef or whatever is really good. It has a very like charred flavor in the broth. Really good, very herbaceous as well.
I'm not a pasta girl.
Okay, so the steak is here and yeah, I'm happy. Let's try this.
I bet.
Alright, what did you get for me?
I don't even remember what the name of it.
Oh, the creme brulee. Oh, nice. Coffee creme brulee. I like creme brulee.
Only for me it would have been warmer. I like it.
Pretty good.
Sorry, this side is something. Let's do it.
Alright, so I got lava cake, which I really love.
Yes.
Lava cake.
What's up?
It's like chocolate cake with the fudge. I'm sorry, which was run out. Yeah? Later. It's pretty good.
What's up happening?
Ladies and gents, it was the year 2009. And the performers that you saw today went to Hollywood, they went to Los Angeles, and they walked away with 5 gold medals in the World Championships of the Performance.
Alright, so we just had dinner. We maybe caught like 5-10 minutes of a steel band type of whatever playing. Definitely not my kind of thing, but it was pretty entertaining though. People were doing like gymnastics and stuff. And yeah, my mom is here getting... You been in the pool yet?
I'm just having coffee.
Huh?
I'm just having
But
coffee.
Maria asked about pastry.
No, I was just curious as to what they have to offer.
Okay.
I'm not unhappy. What time is it open? They're open now.
So yeah, I think it's kind of cool. This place closes at like 2 AM, so I guess if you want to get your coffee and your basic pastries and sandwiches, that's cool. Yeah, but you know, when we're in the restaurant, we're just talking about pretty much. Mom was saying like she hasn't quite gotten to the point where she understood that my grandmother is no longer here. Yeah, yeah, it was one of those conversations. But I just said that to say, you know, sometimes when you're here or you're traveling or whatever, or you're just at home wherever you are, you just have to just live, you know, like appreciate every single moment, because we are all going to get to that point where we're going to be incapacitated. Like some of us, it happens so faster than some we get fortunate enough to live a whole life and then experience that. So what I'm saying is just go out there, enjoy it, you know, travel, go to a hotel, go to a beach, go just do some free stuff that, you know, you don't have to pay for. But anyway, I'm close this video off here. Remember these two things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.